I applied to the SECReT programme because it seemed like a really interesting way of doing a PhD.
Looking around doing maths kind of PhDs, most of the subjects were tending to be quite abstract and quite dry. This would be an opportunity to apply math to the real world.
It seemed like it was more than just a PhD you'd get out of it, with some fantastic industry partners, funding for conferences, and also it's at UCL, which is one of the best universities in the world.
So SECReT is about bringing disciplines together to find new and creative ways to solve crime and security problems. So at the core of SECReT is this idea of cross-disciplinarity. And by cross-disciplinarity, we just don't mean bringing social sciences together or bringing various physical sciences together. We're particularly interested in bridging the gap between the social sciences and the physical sciences, coming up with technological solutions to crime and security problems informed by a sound understanding of behavioural, psychological and social science perspective.
I'm not going to lie, the first year of the SECReT programme was tough.
Okay, so the first year involved a lot of different taught modules across the department and also across the university. The material in them was very broad, from sort of computer science to looking at different security challenges.
I came from a background in modern languages and was suddenly faced by a huge range of new methods, new disciplines, which was challenging but also really exciting and really rewarding at the end.
One of the unique aspects of the SECReT programme is that we try to ensure that our students' work finds a home in the real world. We start this process in year one of the programme when we organise an industry evening where we invite our many partners to come and meet our students. Our hope is that they find a mentor amongst these partners, and that leads to a long-term collaboration.
I worked with Oxford Instruments. They develop micro and nanotechnologies for analysis, and part of my PhD research involved looking at gunshot residue particles, which are very, very small fragments of forensic evidence.
A police service approached my supervisor to try and get us involved in a project. So I was brought in on that project to do some assistance work with that, and it gave me a lot of stuff to play with for the rest of my PhD, and also gave it a real world focus in terms of knowing exactly what kind of problem they were interested in.
It allowed me to be not just a scientist in a lab, but also get out there and talk to other people who do the work and use the research as well. So it was really informative.
My PhD research was in how the police try and tackle group-based child sexual exploitation. So I was looking at it from a human trafficking perspective, first of all, through links with the Human Trafficking Centre, part of the NCA now. And it's been really well received, which has been great.